whoever like recommend this place, thank you so much.
Nice work setup. And then this is the best part.
5 minutes away from the main street, and it's so peaceful here.
Good morning, guys. I thought I'll show you today what a day-to-day life looks like while living in Bangkok. So if you're also an expat who are planning to move in Bangkok, I hope you'll find some useful information and yeah, basically enjoy this realistic, unfiltered day of an expat living in Bangkok. I will also put on an expenses that I usually spend on a day-to-day basis so you can have a better overview of how much it costs to live in Bangkok. I want to start off this video by showing you the apartment that I'm staying at. So it's a really great apartment. It comes with a kitchen and they also have a laundry machine over there, which is really nice. This is the living room and then one bathroom and then one bedroom. I'm gonna make a separate video to give you a condo tour. But yeah, what I really like about it is like I got to work here. They have a pretty nice work setup. And then this is the best part, like the view of Bangkok from up here. But I'm gonna quickly head down now to the co-working space downstairs and yeah, we're gonna start off work there. So this place also comes with a co-working space that you can rent out if you stay in this building. And I think it's a really good facility. So if you want to switch up the work environment, you can just rent it. And yeah, it's free for the tenant here as well. And then every weekend they always have food trucks going on. With how they set up the apartment here in Bangkok, you pretty much can find everything that you need within like 100 meters or even in the same building. Like maybe just stepping a little bit outside of the building, you can find food, you can do your grocery shopping. So it's very convenient living in Bangkok. Today is Saturday, so I like to use the weekend to work on my content creation. That means filming, editing a YouTube video or reels because I don't have any client work on weekend. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I've been trying to at least put out 2 videos per week, and with my schedule it can get a little bit hectic, especially with editing. Editing a YouTube vlog usually will take around 4 to 5 hours, and yeah, that's a long time just to edit. But recently I've been using this AI called Riverside and it has been really helpful. So I'm gonna show you real quick. So here it will automatically transcribe the video, which make editing a lot more faster because you spend less time with doing the rough cut. For example, here I can just see like where is the part where I have a gap. And here what I usually do is go to set pace where I can just remove like the unwanted pauses. And the coolest thing, you can set the pace. So if you want to cut down anything that's more than 3 seconds or like 1.5 seconds. So here I'm gonna use 1.5 seconds and you can see that here we have 11 pauses and I just click apply. So now you can see like all of this gap has been removed. So another feature that I love here is the caption. Instead of typing everything, you just go here to caption and you can also choose from different template that they have. So if you want to try out Riverside, you can get 15% off by using my code DN15. So it has been saving me a lot of time and I can use the free time that I have now to explore around Bangkok, which I just realized I don't really get to do since I moved here. I think it's so easy to fall into the trap of like just working and doing the day-to-day life, even if you're living abroad or you're somewhere new. So I'm trying to be more mindful about that. Every single week now, I write down 2 to 3 things, new things that I want to try or do in Bangkok, basically so I can immerse myself in the surrounding and try something new. I'm at Terminal 21 because I've got a lot of like comment from my subscribers that I have to try the food court in Terminal 21. So I thought, why not just like work here today, find a cafe here because turns out they have a lot of options. And then later on, we're gonna explore some of the options for the food court. It's not the biggest mall in Bangkok, but they do have a lot of like good options here. I would say it might be one of the best options if you want to shop, Like they have all the good brands here, like Birkenstock, like some Thai brand. But down there, they also have more options. It looks more like wholesale. So yeah, a lot of places to explore around. But I'm just waiting for my friend and we're gonna find a place where we can co-work. I found it very unique because the concept of this mall is like a departure terminal. So they have like the terminal departure for Paris. Next to it is Caribbean. It's a very smart and unique concept for a mall. So I feel like this is the story of my life, getting lost in the mall here in Bangkok. But yeah, my friend is here and yeah, I'm gonna go see her and we'll pick a cafe. I was looking for a cafe and there's so many options, especially if you want to come for lunch and stuff. Whoever like recommend this place, thank you so much. Is that banana? Grilled banana? It's so nice because the options are limitless and they have a lot of like street food options, which is amazing. So apparently you need to get a card to purchase the food here. Okay, we got our card. Oh, it smells so
amazing.
good.
Oh my god.
We're like,
Yeah.
there's a sauce and mango sticky rice. Is it like a?
It looks so fancy.
Yeah, we got the fancy mango sticky rice.
But look at it.
Yeah.
So what do we
It's
try
really
first?
Let's try the banana first.
Banana. Oh.
It's actually better than fried banana.
What is this green rice?
Yeah, I think they use pandan for the food coloring.
More plastic.
More plastic. Good? Yeah? Okay, okay. Oh yeah. So sweet.
It's so good.
I'm too trying to find more food. Oh my god, I have so many good options. Oh. It's not even dinner time yet and this place is packed. I wonder how busy it will get during the evening. Let's get some chicken rice.
Almost 6 months.
We just leave Terminal 21 and we're heading to Bechakiri Park, which is like very close from Terminal 21, and that's also like one place that I really want to check out. It's nice that Bangkok, even though like it's busy with like, it's a very bustling city with tons of malls, but it's nice that they still have like beautiful parks that you can explore. So we're gonna check out one of them. And also we just walked like, I don't know, like 5 minutes away from the main street, and it's so peaceful here. It's like if you're away from the main street, like you can find this type of surrounding with like, it's not busy. You see a lot of like trees, a lot of greeneries, which is really nice. We're definitely taking a shortcut here. Alright, we made it. Looks really nice. It has a huge lake over there. I have a dog park as well. This is super nice. You've seen a lot of people either like jogging, walking, or just like chilling next to the lake here. Just like really nice. It's like right outside, right next to the main street as well. But it is so calm here.
Yeah, totally want to do this more often. It's really nice that they have this type of park in the middle of the city. Way I'm having the best time here. Nice. The ambience here is so nice. And nobody's here. It's raining outside. I really like finding a place like this, which is like kind of like a gem, and there's not a lot of people. It's more of a smaller space, so it's not more private, and it's just like a very nice ambience. And you can definitely find a lot of places like this in Bangkok. This one's super nice. I don't know how it is at night because it looks like it's a bar. So I think it's gonna get busier later at night, but I really like the dinner here. It's not too busy. The food is amazing.